play on the daily pivot for a minute, I guess. My weekly pivot is 33.45.
Okay. We're live on YouTube.
Okay.
So YouTube, if you're new here, we're the Barcelona Trader in Miakoda. We trade gold for a living, and we teach the exact same system we use here on YouTube. You'll find everything you need at thebarcelonatrader.com or at tonomiakoda.com. Of course, the daily streams and the tools we use. There are a couple of things that we do offer for sale. Our Zoom Room membership, which is now open, and Gold GPT, which is our AI coach. It is in limited beta and there's a wait list. So you can go to the barcelonatrader.com and go to the section about the Gold GPT AI and read about that and get on the waiting list if you're interested. These streams are still technically in beta, so you'll catch a glitch or two. It doesn't quite look the way we want it to look. Well, not quite as professional as it will be as we move through the summer. So you'll catch a growing pain or two. In the meantime, we are trading spot gold and gold futures. We're looking here at the 1 minute spot gold chart. We can see that from the open, which was here at this blue vertical line, price came down, came crashing through the daily pivot point fairly easily, even burst a little ways through the weekly pivot point, but that appeared to stop it and send it in the other direction. Went back up to the daily pivot point, and now it's coming back down. So right now looks to be establishing a bit of a range in that area. We start early on Sundays because usually after the weekend, sometimes there is news over the weekend that moves the market pretty aggressively right after the open. That didn't happen today, so we are probably looking at a bit of boredom and tedium, at least up until 8, 9 o'clock. Sometimes we come on here at the market open, see what's happening, observe that nothing's really happening, and we go away for an hour and we come back. So we may do that this evening, we may not. It depends on whether we keep ourselves entertained, with the chart and where conversation leads us.
Yes.
So far, no trades have been placed by either of us. There might have been a trade here, but the market wasn't moving aggressively enough for us to feel like trades were setting up. And when that isn't happening, you're just waiting for the market to kind of tell us what the beginning of this week is going to be about, what direction it wants to go. Just kind of observe it.
Probably not gonna do much tonight.
No, I don't think so.
Let's take a look at tomorrow.
Tomorrow there's no news.
No news. Yeah.
Tuesday there's Richmond Manufacturing Index. That's an orange and Powell speaks at 8:30, so that'll be interesting.
Okay, that's cool. Nothing much Wednesday.
Thursday, unemployment, core retail sales.
Thursday
That's
looks good. Friday we got an orange folder. All right.
yeah, kind of a so-so week for news.
Yeah.
All right. There's not a lot of teaching moments going on here right now. We're just seeing the market range. Just do basically nothing. There's not enough volume in the market. At this time of day, we have essentially Sydney in Australia is the only market that is open. And so the Sydney traders can only trade amongst themselves. And it's not the biggest market in the world, so there's not a lot going on, especially at the beginning of their day. They like to wait for Tokyo to open. That happens at 8 p.m. Eastern time, so that's still an hour and a half from now. Um, an hour and 22 minutes from now. So, as I mentioned, Tono and I like to get on early here on Sundays because, I would say one out of 4 Sundays, uh, in the winter, maybe every 2 Sundays is worth it. But in the summer, when things are slow anyway, Sundays just don't hold a lot of excitement.
I'm just staying on the pivot today. Barely moving.
Yeah. But, I remember when I first started learning to trade. Sunday night would roll around, and I would be so excited to start trading again after not having been able to trade since Friday. And I'd be like, "Hey, it's moving, it's moving. I think it's going up. I'm gonna enter a buy. I think it's." I
Yeah.
remember very early on one Sunday, um, I was still. I mean, I had perhaps I was only a week or two into trading,
Okay.
and you called me, and it was Sunday at 6 p.m. I was out on the street. You called me and you said, "Are you looking at this? Can you see this? Do you see what's going on here?" And I'm like, I don't know." So I opened my phone, and I saw that gold had just skyrocketed right at the open.
Yeah.
And
I remember that.
I was so new to trading that I didn't know that that wasn't, normal.
Normal.
Yeah,
Right.
I don't know. As far as I knew, it skyrocketed and dropped like a rock just randomly. Like, I don't know. And you would say, "Well, there's no reason for this to be happening," and I would be like, "Is there ever a reason for it to be happening?" Like, I don't know. It just goes up and down, and I don't know what moves it. I don't know if it's the wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, you should have been around during COVID
yeah.
when it went from 1300
Hmm.
all the way up. It was like, oh my God, this thing.
Wow.
Google needs to-
Was it on a particular announcement, or was it just like over the course
No,
of several days?
over the course of like it just started just exploding and it just never came back down. It would normally
Wow.
go up like it does, go up, come down, go up, come down. But now
Yeah.
imagine just going up and up and up and up and up and never coming down.
I have a feeling that that's basically what it did since 1900. Like, it's
Yeah,
had some pop, but once it left 1900, it has never gone back. I had some hedges down there once.
yeah. To keep you safe, wants to make sure you're relying. Open the Google app. The minute we get off, it's gonna explode.
Yeah. Always happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working on another video here. As long as I have one eye on the chart, I can multitask when it's this slow.
You don't even want to give us $1. Not today, it says. Did you see the thing that's going on social media with the couple that were cheating, got caught at the Coldplay concert?
Yeah, didn't I send you the Aria Speedwagon thing?
Oh yeah, you did. That's right. That is funny, man.
Yeah, yeah. You know, if they had just acted normal, you know, like any other couple, nobody would have thought a thing of it. Like it wouldn't have registered with anybody.
Right. Yeah. Like
Oh,
the
that's
whole world just got blown got blown out the sky.
yeah. And then I don't know if you read the guy's apology, but it was really bad. Basically, he was, you know, he apologized and he should have quit then, but then he kind of went on to like blame Coldplay and how awful it is to make someone else's life, a public spectacle when they're not expecting it.
Oh no.
Yeah. And they were in a public space, that kind of stuff happens these days.
Blame somebody else for what you doing. It's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like trying to join a meeting on my tablet, but it seems to not be working.
Trying to join this Zoom meeting from your tablet?
Yeah, because if I can join it from the tablet, I can see your screen from the tablet and not have it. I'm trying to test why it's causing my computer
Yeah.
that
You might have to disconnect from the computer before you can connect from your tablet.
uh it ain't gonna work. Such a device not compatible.
Hmm. Ugh,
Nothing's happening.
nothing's happening. This is
Yeah. Let's hope for tomorrow. Let's see if anything better happens tomorrow.
yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit here for a little while. I'll leave this on for a bit, and work on a couple of other things. But otherwise, yeah,
Cool.
let's come back tomorrow. See you at 7:30.
7:30. Yeah, shoot me a text if you see something happening.
Okay. All right.
All right.
See ya. Bye bye.
Peace, man.
All right, YouTube. I'm gonna call it here as well. Nothing happening. No reason for all of us to sit here enjoying the nothingness. So catch you tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m., where there certainly will be some things happening at least. All right.